What's up everybody, it's Robert Harris from Optical Noise Photography. So we had a different shoot plan but it didn't work out so well, so I'll redo that one. So we're just going to shoot some dancers on a white background with some colored gels so you can get that colored look, and then we might fill in with a white light from the top. These are all AD200s with dome heads on. Come look here. So we got dome heads on here with colored gels inside. A73, 2875, and then we have Sanchia and Andrijke over there. No, just like, yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to try and keep this very behind the scenes, so I'll keep talking a lot, and then people were asking they're going to see a full shoot, so I'll try and keep the audio of me talking to them and then explaining what I'm doing, and I hope it's helpful. If you want to follow them, I must put your Instagrams. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's go. No, go for it. Ooh, now it's cool.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Now it's cooler because the lights are closer to you.
Hold on. Wait, it's blurry. It's focusing on the trigger.
Okay, hold on. Okay, when you're ready. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Don't know what that is, but go. Beautiful. You're making a really bad face. I think I can't see it because it's small, but I'm sure it's a bad face. Yeah, rather don't look, because often the camera's too low. So don't look in the camera, look over my head or look that way or like you're performing. Okay, go. Yeah, but go a little bit higher than that. Go.
No, that is so cool.
It's so long to take because you weren't past it yet. You go. One more time. So your foot was still on the floor. Okay, go for it. You can start there as long as you jump somewhere here.
All of this is in slow mo.
It's fine. That's fine. Okay, gooi. Hey, that's not bad. So we're adding in one light to put some white onto them. The previous one was more silhouettes. And then we're going to change up the colors. I don't know what colors they took. Blue and red. Okay, let's see if that works.
If it doesn't, you can do other colors.
It's fine.
Shit the whole crew to the crucial. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Fly with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, all the plank on it. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Name on you. Just like butter in the tools.
Okay, so we're done. Went very well. We tried to do more behind the scenes on this one, so I had my phone recording a wide, and then Jasmyn did a lot of B-roll and slow-mo, and then yeah, so I kept a lot of my audio also, so I'm going to try to put it together. Otherwise I'll do a longer behind the scenes where there's less cutting. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try keep videos coming every week. It's a bit tricky sometimes, but we're going to do it. And then thanks for the comments and the likes and the sharing and stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Peace.